Here we are at 235 Loring in Mill Valley. Coming up the driveway here. Nice parking space. Big driveway. Over here on the side as well. Let's go on up to the front. Nice front deck here. Up to the front door. As you can see here. Nice little deck. Just to start things off here. And let's go on into the front door. We'll go to the left so you can see beautiful hardwood floors in the family room here with a gas fireplace. So you can look out here, very sunny. Over here, right here is some overhead lighting. And in here is the kitchen. Again, we have a Bosch stainless steel appliance, dishwasher, Jenn Aire fridge, Dacor double oven, and a kitchen island here. Nice cabinetry, breakfast nook over there. Connects up here to another little dining room. Gas range, which hooks up back to the front door, and then you can also see here powder room for guests. And just for a little perspective, again, that's the front. And let's go take a look. Okay, here we are at Loring, and we're gonna go take a look at the other part of the house here. All the bedrooms. So here's one of the guest bedrooms here. Goes direct access to the backyard, as you can see here. Mirrored closet doors and standard closet space here. Very nice and sunny. Full guest bath here. Updated vanity here, as you can see. And then we have a total commode and a nice backsplash there for the tub. We'll go over here to the second guest bedroom here, as you can see. Mirrored closet, similar to the other one. And then the master is through here. So you can see generous size, easily fit a king size bed. We have a fireplace here. The master suite. So you see the full walk-in closet here. Dual vanity. We have a jet tub here. Stand-up shower, and then the commode here separate. So that is the master bedroom. And we'll go on to start at the front door. Well, we go downstairs now to the lower section of the home. And there is one bedroom here, sort of perfect for an office. We have a mudroom here because this connects up right to the laundry room and to the attached garage. Nice little kind of coat closet there. A washer dryer. And then here's the garage. Plenty of room. So you can see here lots of extra storage to see here. And then we'll come back through the mudroom, and then here is that fourth bedroom downstairs. Stays nice and cool down here, and it's got its own private deck, as you can see here, and it's got an attached bathroom as well with a tub, and that is the downstairs section. Here we are at the front door. We're going to take a look at the exterior again for context, to see how it lays out. Here's the kitchen, and we'll come through here. And again, so you can see here, lovely outdoor space, very well kept. Those are limes there. So some nice space over here, and then here's the lawn space here. Perfect spot for some exterior furniture. It stays nice and shady in the afternoon here with the awning. And nice tall fencing, a lot of nice privacy, as you can see.